Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to give website access to a collaborator or a client in SiteGround. First, go to siteground.com, then click on this login button, fill in your login credentials and hit login. Now, from this top menu, click on websites. And next to the website you want to give access to, click on these three dots and click and select manage users. And as you can see, you can give a collaborator access or just a client access. The difference between these two access or access levels is that a collaborator access it gives access to the site tools of your site without the email management options. A collaborator has its own SiteGround account and does not log in into yours and can request support from SiteGround. And this level of access is recommended when you wish to give access to a developer, designer, or others to collaborate on your website. A client is a user who gets a white label version of the site tools of your website, all sections. A client cannot request support from SiteGround, and this type of access is recommended if you are a reseller and wish to give your client the site tools not branded as SiteGround. This feature is available on Go Gig and higher plans. Now click on Add Users. Now select between collaborator or a client. I will go with a collaborator. Click on Select. Here, click on Add New User. If you already created users before, you can select them from this list. In my case, I will create a new user. Here, fill in the email address of your collaborator and the name. For example, I will go with Ben2. Click on this add button. And as you can see, an invitation is sent to the new user with type collaborator created for this website, which is benstutorial.com. And this is an example of the collaboration invitation that the collaborator will receive. As you can see, hello Ben2. This is the name of the collaborator. My name has invited you to collaborate on their website. This is the website hosted on by SiteGround, web hosting company. If you want to accept this invitation and get immediate access to websites site tool, click this link before 48 hours. Let's click on this link. Before I continue this video, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course called SiteGround Shared Hosting Explained today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with SiteGround, how to set up your website, how to make your WordPress or website in general secure inside SiteGround, also how to optimize your website speed and performance, how to manage files and database inside SiteGround, how to set up email, how to manage your domains and DNS, advanced tools, e-commerce setup, SEO and analytics, and also how to manage your SiteGround account and contact support. You can get all of this for free today, plus my other courses on the same platform, which are courses about other web hosting providers or other tools like this Canva tools, MailChimp, Squarespace. And let's see the page number 2. Google Search Console, Hostinger, Website Builder, Bluehost, HostGator, Namecheap. To get all of this today for free, simply go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. As you can see, to accept collaboration for this website, please register at SiteGround first. The invitation email is cannot be edited. I think your collaborator should only fill the password and complete the profile details like the first name, last name, company, the city, zip code, and so on. Confirm the terms of service and privacy policy and hit this create account button. Now let's return to my SiteGround account. I will go to the same manage users page. And as you can see, since I didn't create the collaborator account yet, the status is still pending activation. And from this three dots, you can cancel an invite. Let's give it a try. Collaboration invitation is cancelled. With the inactive invite status, these three dots let you know resend a new invite or remove the collaborator from all. Let's remove it. Collaboration on website is discontinued. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.